The pavilion itself is the crown jewel of this backyard oasis.
The concept of the all-glass building was a perfect direction to go, and there's only one way to do that, and that was to use the NanaWall.
The NanaWall allowed the development of all these outdoor spaces, which obviously were in the pool area, but it really gave us flexibility coming out of the cabana.
The thing I like to do is I get to see it from paper to come to life.
Well, once the doors are open, you become a part of the environment, basically. And that was really important.
It just is the most inviting space you can have no matter what the season.